if you got a Tahoe or Escalade or Yukon, Suburban, whatever, etc., etc. If you got a lot of rattling in the front end when you hit a bump, but when you hit a smooth patch of road, you don't hear anything, 9 times out of 10, that's your issue. It could be the struts too. And it's like this on both sides. That's the sway bar link. And that's what it's doing when you hit a bump. And that's what it's supposed to look like. That's what the new one looks like. It's supposed to be a bushing on each end. On this one, the upper bushing and the lower bushing is gone. That bushing is gone. This bushing is here and it's cracked. And the new one is supposed to look like that. So if you got a lot of rattling on the front end when you hit a bump, you drive on the road with no bumps and it's smooth and you don't hear a lot of noise, or you're taking curves and it feels kind of loose, this is your problem. Sway bar link.